What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been probably about a year since I posted a video, and this is the reason why. So we purchased this house almost a year ago now, and we've been fixing it up, and I haven't been able to work on cars or anything or post any content just because I've been too busy. So I figured I'd post a little update video here. So we purchased this and have been fixing it up since last March, and we sold our other house just a few weeks ago, and that has allowed me to get a new shop built. So this will be the new garage here. It's almost completed. I really wish that I would have done a before and after video. There's a lot of trees and stuff that we removed in this lot to make this barn happen, and it looks way different than it did when we first purchased this property here. So yeah, this is the new house on a lake, obviously, and this will be the new shop. So this will be the first video of a few on the shop build. This is a pretty basic build. Kind of went away from the norm here with the all black, but I think it'll look cool when it's finished. It's a 30 by 40 with a 14-foot ceiling. We got the 1-foot overhang. Pretty basic build here. No heated floors or nothing. But we do got the IS still. I sold my Civic hatch to fund some renovations, but I still got the coupe here. Not sure if the coupe is gonna go or if we're gonna keep it, but the coupe and the IS are still here. So there will be some more content on those once the barn is finished. Plans for the barn: this door here will be the shop area, potentially closed off. You know, in between these two cars there might be a wall, so they don't have to heat this whole shop. A mezzanine up here, and then obviously a lift right where the IS is. So we also got a attached 2-car garage here, and getting a new driveway put in. Obviously we got the blankets here because it's December in Michigan, so that allows the concrete to cure properly due to the lack of temperature. So the house is definitely still a work in progress. I probably will post a before and after on the house eventually. I've been doing all the work on the house pretty much all myself, so that's why there hasn't been any content. But this will be the first of a few videos on the shop build. This is the second pole barn that I built, and I'm pretty excited about it. You guys will be excited to see the cool doors that I ordered. But yeah, just a little one-cut vid to update the channel on what's been going on. And I will talk to you guys soon.